Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to increase a video resolution on Canva. So let's assume you have a video you want to have the pixel increased. You know what, let me just choose a video here. I've already uploaded some videos before. I can click on the video here and I can scroll here. Apps here just beneath the project icon. It should bring you to a place where you can search for the video upscaler, or you can just scroll down. You can search for the video upscaler right here, or you just scroll down. Okay, we'll see, you can see it in the popular section. You can see it. Oh, I'm not seeing it. Well, if you don't find it, it's not a big deal. You can easily just just scroll here and choose this video upscaler, or search for the video upscaler here, video upscaler. Good. Once you search for the video upscaler, you see other options. Click on the video upscaler here and make sure your video is already selected, and once the page loads, we can see it has already detected the video, and it's okay. The current resolution is 1080p. Let's upscale the resolution into 4K Ultra HD, and we can choose the enhancement style we want: portrait, anime, general. Improves overall clarity in all videos. Good. Preserves integrates detail and vibrant color. Portraits highlights skin tones and facial features. So it depends on the particular video you want to have upscaled. So let's assume, like now, the video I have here is not it doesn't show a human character, so it means that anime and portrait may not really work, or it may be useless. But this general would serve me well because they are just text. So click on upscale, and I will just wait for the video to be rendered in the 4K Ultra HD resolution. While waiting, guys, please, I would love if you'd subscribe to the channel and let me know what you think about other videos I have made. And this particular video, you can go ahead to watch my playlist and let me know what you think about it. Oh my god, so this video is actually 38 seconds long. Okay, no, we are good to go. Yeah, it's the whole thing that is 38. So guys, I've just paused this video for now. And okay guys, so I have tried waiting, and I've waited for about 10 minutes now, or 5 minutes, and it's still enhancing the video. You can see they've even written this can take a while, so feel free to close the app and return later to see the results. Ideally, you can also use the CapCut web version. It would upscale your video instantly. So guys, this is how to actually upscale your video to a higher resolution on Canva. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you, and do have a great day.